Today we are going to verify, extend, create, attach and detach EBS volume. So for that I'm going to launch an instance tab, launch instance, and I'm going to keep a name for my server, Windows server 1. Now I'm going to choose the OS, Windows. (2022) base. I'm going to choose T3 micro as instance type. Then I'm going to keypad. I'm going to choose the existing keypad. Then I'm going to edit the network settings. I'm going to give a preferable zone as US East 1A. Then I'm going to select existing security group. First, yes. So now I'm going to launch this instance with 30 GB as the volume, initial volume. So give launch instance. Go to instances. For this instance, the status check should be 3 past 3. So we need to wait for a few seconds. So now the status check is 3 past 3. So I'm going to connect this instance. Select the instance, give connect. Go to RDP client. I'm going to connect it to remote desktop. So get the password first. Get password, upload private key. Use the private key. Take the password. Now search remote desktop. Paste the public DNS. Give connect. Username is administrator. Password. Okay. So now I'm going to check whether the size of the storage or the EBS volume is 30 GB or not. I'm going to type here disk management. Wait for a few seconds. diskmgmt.msc. I'm going to open this and I can see here the size is 30 GB. So now I don't want 30 GB, I want extra 2 GB. So what should I do? Go to the instance, select the instance, click on storage, click on the volume ID, go to actions, select the volume ID, go to actions, modify volume. Instead of 30, I'm going to modify it as 32. 32. Give modify, modify. So refresh this page. Now we can see the size is 32. So I'll go to my remote desktop. I'll open the disk management. I'll close it and open it again. Now I'm going to click on the C drive. Right click. I'm going to give extend volume. I'm going to give next for all the wizards. Next, finish. So yes, now the volume has become 32. So the next one is we have extended the volume. Now we are going to create a new EBS volume. For in the big organization, they might have used all the volume. So now they want to create another separate volume. So what should we do? We are just going to volume, create volume. I'm going to give, I should give the same availability zone. Then I don't want the size to be 100. I'm just going to add 2 GB. I'm going to give create volume. So now you can see another volume that is launched on the again same availability zone. So now let's go here. So now we have created it. The next step is to attach this volume. So I have chosen the volume I have created. The extra volume, I'm going to actions, attach volume, the instance, only one instance is running, device name, attach volume. So now we are going to our remote desktop. So now the disk one is not initialized. So first I need to initialize this disk. I'm giving it initialize. Okay. So now it is online. The next one is we need to click on the unallocated portion. Right click, new simple volume. Next, next. So here it is giving alphabet D. Because C is already there, we can choose whatever the alphabet we want, but except C. So I'll go with D. Next, next, finish. So now I can see two disks, 0 and 1. The first disk with 32 GB storage and the second one with 2 GB storage. Now attaching is also over. Now we are going to detach the storage. Select this one. Go to actions. Detach volume. Detach. So go to remote desktop. Go to disk management. So now you can't see the additional storage.